They said when you in your bed, you in your bed. Said, I'm over here today. I'm in my vibe now. Some people telling me, oh yes, I wanna ride now. I'm riding for my people. Oh yes, I love my people. The other people saying, yes, I wanna see my people. I'm going in and out. I said we scream and shout. The other one that telling me that do you know what's out? What is going down? I'm rocking from the south, but still I'm over here today. To why I run my mouth at what? Do you even want to go and see? Other people talking about it, now you look at me. Looking up and now you gonna see me on TV. Other people trying to go and see me in 3D. Now I'm rocking when I rollin' with my floating vibe. Everybody saying today, what you gonna ride? I have my own ride. You have your own flow. The people telling me, oh yes, I wanna know what? Said I'm doing what I do. Everybody saying that yes, I keep it true. Hey, I said I'm doing what I do. The other people saying that yes, I keep it true. The Remy Terminator saying that yes, we do not what? We do not despair the end, we still be getting up. You coming from the pistol with a broken ribs, though. Some people telling me the end that yes, I want some more. We got the Destiny Forever Walker PhD. Oh yes, he's over here to hanging out to here with me. We got the RX nail and we hold it down. Some people looking at my nails and eyes are flossing now, saying oh what? I'm doing all massages for your body. People's over here that saying that yes, I got it. God is over here that coming up to the party. The people telling me that why the J is acting naughty. But now I'm not a naughty when I'm doing with my things. Some people telling me to send a J, I wanna sing. I wanna sing, I wanna rap, I wanna do a song. So yes, I'm over here to send it, yeah, we get a song, let's go. Send a Reverend Terminator though. I'm over here to be the unit with my own flow. Doing this and I'm doing this from my chest. Everybody saying that all of y'all are all the best. So when I'm doing this and I say I'm doing up. Now I'm over here to giving out some virtual hugs. No, you let me tell your people, yes, you know it's up. Calling me the J because I want to sing it up. Hey. Said that when I sing it from the south, other people said that Jay is just a run his mouth. Still I'm over here today and I hold it down. Everybody's over here and we going down. So, oh man, the beat ended.